Nerudova Street in Prague is the final stretch of the historic royal route leading to Prague Castle. While maintaining its old-world charm, the cobblestone paths are lined with cafes and charming shops, making it a lively and popular tourist spot. Named after the 19th century writer Jan Neruda, who once lived here in this house at the Two Sons, the street embodies a blend of history and modern life. This steep, picturesque street is lined with beautiful buildings and is famous for its charming house signs, a tradition from before street numbering. So please enjoy. While strolling along Nerudova Street, we found this charming little shop called Curiomat. And why Curiomat? Well, the name itself sparks curiosity, inviting us to embrace the unexpected. If we are curious, we live with open eyes, always ready to uncover hidden treasures and beauty in the unknown. Just like the ancient cellars beneath the house that were patiently waiting for centuries to be discovered.
So the premise of our Curiomat is to bend your mind and think outside the box. Always look for something curious. Czech is a really historically folklore-based legend kind of country, and the art reflects that, and this space really does add that exclamation mark to Curiomat. It really does.
The shop today offers an exceptional collection of art made by local artists. And if you look closely, you'll see that each piece tells its own unique story, much like this enchanting place itself. We stop for a coffee, taking a moment to watch the lively street. We are slowly approaching our destination, the majestic Prague Castle. And soon we will complete our nearly 3-kilometre-long walk along the historic royal route, once graced by Czech kings on their way to coronation.